Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and today I'm gonna show you how to make shaped end for alphas with an uneven number of base strings. Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make shaped end for alpha friendship bracelets with an uneven number of base strings. In this video I will not explain how to tie basic knots for friendship bracelets, so if you'd like to learn how to make all 4 basic knots for friendship bracelets, I'll link a tutorial in the cards and in the description below. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Now, are you ready for some knotting? Then let's begin. In order to make the shaped end for alpha bracelet, follow the same principle as with the shape start. Just instead of adding strings to the middle, add the strings to the edges. You can see that we have 7 strings here. So first, take the last 2 strings on each edge and put them aside from the strings in the middle. And start by making a forward-backward knot with your background string onto the first 2 strings on the right edge. Then make 3 backward knots onto the strings in the middle. And finish the row by making a backward forward knot onto the last 2 strings on the left edge. Straighten the row with the ruler. Put aside additional string on each edge, so you now have 3 on each edge and only 1 left in the middle. And start by making a backward forward knot onto the strings on the left edge. Then make 1 forward knot onto the string in the middle. And finish the row by making a forward-backward knot onto the strings on the right edge. Straighten the row with the ruler. And since there is only 1 string left in the middle, finish the shaped end by making a forward-backward knot onto all the strings. Since my bracelet had only 7 base strings, my shaped end is done. But for bracelets with more base strings, just keep adding strings from the middle to the edges, until there is only 1 string left in the middle, and finish it like I've shown you. Now all that's left to do is to make twisted ties, and your bracelet is done. And that's it! Your shaped end for alpha friendship bracelets with an uneven number of base strings is done. In case you decide to use it, let me know via Instagram or comments below. And in case you found this video useful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Not with you next week. Bye!